Tuesday, August 7th. I haven't posted anything in quite a while. I've just been having a hard time finding time to do editing these days. So this video is not going to be in any chronological order. I've been filming, I have a bunch of crap, I just don't know what to do with it. So I'm just going to slap it together. Also, two of my GoPros have been freezing randomly. I'm actually testing a new SD card in this one right now. My 6 Black, it just freezes on its own for some reason. Also, yes, I didn't film, but I went to adjust the parking brake in the truck. I saw the directions for a 3500 single rear wheel, not a dually, and I thought, how different could they be? Well, I started at 5 and finished around midnight. That sucked. Yeah. Also, me and the girlfriend drove by Jamestown Mall, which is one of the malls that shut down years ago that I went to when I was a kid and kind of grew up in. And there's a video online of some urban explorers going through the mall. I'll put a link in the description below and the timestamp. I forget what it is, like 14 minutes, I think. But you see my desk, because I bought it off Craigslist from the caretaker who was selling shit from Jamestown Mall. And you see my desk. That desk was bought from that mall. So, anyway, here you go. Still filming. We're at 3 minutes.
Of consequences for misconduct. State bars are supposed to hold them accountable, but it's done.
5 minutes.
Fun experiment for
Alright, I'm guessing it was the SD card that was the issue because I'm at 12 and a half minutes. Yeah, this is part of being a climber. Trimming my calluses with toenail clippers about once a week. That's all disgustingly thick, nasty skin. That even kind of grosses me though. When is it, July 18th? Well, my 50 feet of 3/4 inches here. I'm gonna make a dead eye for my big porter wrap because I'm tired of the picking on the T-Rex. I still love the T-Rex. It's much stronger, but it picks real easy. Next up, I don't have, nor have I ever really had, a parking brake on this thing. I'm tired of putting that extra wear and tear on the transmission. So, I'm going to adjust the parking brake. Do I know what I'm doing? No, but I'll fumble my way through it like I do everything else in life. Yes, I already have the wheels charged. Oh, Jesus. God, wow. Fuck. Alright. I'm just going to start off with the grinding compound, assuming I'm going to strip them. God. Fucking hell. Fuck. Yeah, one broke. Jeez. Oh, this job's already starting off good. You know what? Fuck it. Not doing tonight. Not dealing with this shit. Damn. Nobody ever hears of anti-seize. It's already like 6 o'clock at night. I'm not starting this shit. Well, I'll be pissed if I don't get something productive done and take advantage of this weather because it's gorgeous out. So, saw maintenance it is. And I'm not really going to film because you've seen it 800 times. Got some saws cleaned, got some chains sharpened. And then I realized that I've been so busy lately, I have not yet seen my 2 newest family members. So let's head to my little sister's house. Yeah. You know what really sucks is when you damage something on the job. Like 2 weeks ago when I was stick sawing and my butt hit a flower pot and it broke. It happens. Really fucking sucks is when that same customer calls 2 weeks later and says that I put a hole in their piece of shit, run down, falling apart shed, which I absolutely did not do. Awesome. Thanks, fucking humans. It's Monday the 23rd, I think. As soon as I show up to Peggy's house to finish up the storm damage, the neighbor's dog decided to use my gear bag as a urinal. So that's cool. find myself. It's Wednesday, July 25th, the 1-year anniversary of my fall. My doctor said it'd be about a year before I really started feeling like myself again, and thankfully it only took 10 and a half, 11 months. Especially when I first started working, I had to build the endurance back up, and even up to about a month and a half ago, if I put more than 8 hours in a day, I would start having some pelvis pain on my right side. But pretty much all that's resolved itself. We actually worked about 12 and a half hours today, and I feel great. So, but enough celebrating. I got a blinker not working. Let's figure it out. I would think that has something to do with it. It pays to be organized. I've been posting as much as normal, and like a good American, I'm not taking the blame. I blame the girlfriend. Been spending a lot of time with her over at her place. So I picked up a laptop so I can take it with me and edit over there. But looking back, I don't really think I'm going to be doing any editing over there. I think I just bought a paperweight.
Let's do only one at a time.
John.
All right, good job, ladies. Oh my goodness. What does your daughter teach in Brooklyn? Brooklyn's never even thought to do that. Okay.
Yes.
I'm never leaving your room.
Nope.
One more time. There she is. All right, okay. That's enough. Corey's got some work to do, okay? Corey's got some work to do.
Biggest saw I brought, so what I have to do. Gorgeous and peaceful it is out here. This is like where I want to live. Monday, July 30th, and we only put in 8.5 hours at work today, and the boss said since we were off early, he wanted us to go through our equipment and saws and everything, and I check my equipment regularly, but all my saws and everything, I can get it done a lot faster here at home, so brought it all home to do it here. But I am on the clock doing this, so I'm not going to be doing any filming. But getting this done, I got to change the oil in the truck. So nice, not having strip bolts. Hi. Holy shit. There it goes. All right. I'm just putting the LEDs back up on their stand, and I noticed the name on the back. Ningbo Jimang Jinke. Yeah. Half of these, if I'm not mistaken. There it is. Someone's got a new toy. That is sexy. I just couldn't pull the trigger on the price tag. Tuesday, July 21st. I took some Tylenol and went to work, but I was still feeling like shit when I got there. So I took my first sick day, went home, slept till 2:30. I got a voicemail while I was asleep from my mom that something is happening today. What the chances of that? She's getting taken down. Gamma. Yeah. He said he pretty much got everything he could with the 60-foot bucket, so they bring it in the elevator, get another 10 feet out. It's a big freaking tree, probably like 60 dBH. Fun one. Taking down those two. It's gonna be tying it up there, swinging over. So no need to swing over, I just doubled in around this limb, pretty much right over the trees. Nice view. There's Alton, Illinois, way over there, where those bluffs. And I think this is just a canal, not the actual Missouri or Mississippi or anything. You know what, Becca? I think that may be Pelican Island. Yep. My first element cam ran out of battery, and my GoPro 6 Black decided it just wanted to lock up like it's been doing lately. So that's awesome. Not sure where I left off. Just gonna take them from the ground now. Now this fucking GoPro is fucking up and freezing and everything. God, I've never had problems with the GoPros. Now I've got two. I don't know. So I lost all that footage of me taking those down and everything. But the 260's running like a goddamn beast. Anyway, have a good one, humans.